Assalamu alaikum. Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent, who is Rahman and Rahim. This is me, Hanifullah. I come from Tindorak. I live in Tindorak. I am 18 years old. I am a student at University of Malacca as well as I am a student at Star English Language Academy, Gadar. Secondly, my father name is Hanzada. He is a blacksmith. I have four brothers. Two are passenger in Saudi Arab. One works there in Pakistan. Now I am standing with my best friend, Mr. Israr. I am going to ask him some questions. So how are you, Mr. Israr?
I am fine. What about you?
I am good. Mr. Israr, can you introduce yourself?
You asked me such a great question. I want to give you answer. My name is Muhammad Israr Khan. My father name is Fazil Rahim. I am from Shabatud. I am a student of Galabad Degree College as well as I am student of Star English Language Academy. My favorite drink is Abi Zamzam. My favorite dish is my favorite dish is biryani. My favorite color is black. My hobby is playing games. What is your favorite future plan?
Mr. Israr, you asked me such a great question. I want to be a big businessman, but nowadays I want to go to Saudi Arab. When I go there, so I work 2 3 years. Then, inshallah, I will start my own business. Mr. Israr, can you describe your family?
You asked me such a great question again. There are eight members in my family. My father works in Saudi. My mother is a housewife. My all sibling is a student. My family support me in every situation. We enjoy the spending time, especially the occasion. We celebrate the all festival together. The all festival together that make the family become happily. My family support me in every situation. My family teach me the videos of kindness, happiness, and respect. I feel safe when I am with my family. So, what is your favorite color?
Mr. Israr, again, you asked me such a great question. My favorite color is black. You know, Mr. Israr, some people said the black color is Islamic color, and some people said the black color is not Islamic color. Why? And some people said the black color is not Islamic color because one time Hazrat Ali said the black color is Fir'auni color, so that's why some people said the black color is not Islamic color. And why some people said the black color is Islamic color? Because when Hazrat Muhammad said the hadith, so sometimes he wear the black color cloth and sometimes Hazrat Muhammad wear the black color turban, and also the Kaaba Ghilaf color is black. So this why some people say the black color is Islamic color, and I think the black color is Islamic color. Thank you very much.
Thanks.